In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Google Chrome in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Chrome download. We'll be getting the official link from google.com. Click it, and here we will be having the option download Chrome. If you want, you can just uncheck this and click it, and the download will be getting started. The Chrome setup file is just around 10 MB in size, so just be patient till then. So it's downloading and installing Google Chrome. Just be patient for a while. Once the installation is done, you'll be getting the Google Chrome browser opened. If you want to sign in with your Google account, you can do that. If you don't want, just select this, don't sign in. And if you want it to be the default browser, click on set as default, else click skip. And that's it. We'll be getting the Google Chrome browser and just start browsing. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.